I told that if it costs $5.50 per square feet to build a new patio, how much will it cost to build a patio that is 9 by 20 feet? So this is a very simple question involving area of 2D shapes. So here we are told that the dimension of the patio is 9 by 20 feet. So we can clearly see by drawing this that we are looking at a rectangle. So this is 20 feet and this is 9 feet. The question tells us that it costs $5.50 per square feet. So each square feet of this patio will cost $5.50. First, we need to know the entire area of the patio. Since this is a rectangle, all we need to do is multiply the length of the rectangle by the width. So the total area is equal to 20 multiplied by 9. That will give us 180 square feet. So the total area of this patio is 180 square feet. But we know that each square feet costs $5.50. So to get the entire cost of the patio, all we need to do is multiply the total area by the cost of each square feet. So total cost is equal to 180 square feet multiplied by $5.50. We all know that in the ASVAB exams, you cannot use a calculator. This means you need to be skilled in multiplying decimals. Do you know how to multiply decimals? Some of the persons who joined my tutoring program for ASVAB exams initially struggled with simple things like this. So if you struggle with this, you might be able to solve the more complex question, and just a few steps to the final result, you might not get the final answer. So this is one of the things that hinders many persons from really doing well in the ASVAB exams. Let's see how to multiply a whole number and a decimal. So when you're multiplying this, just assume that there is no decimal, okay? So we have 550 multiplied by 180, okay? This will help you to do it. 0 multiplied by 0 is 0. 0 multiplied by 5 is 0. 0 multiplied by 5 is 0. 8 multiplied by 0 is 0. 8 multiplied by 5 is 40, but we're going to write down 0 and bring 4 over here. 8 multiplied by 5 is 40. 40 plus 4 is 44. And then we have 1 multiplied by 0, that's 0. 1 multiplied by 5, that's 5. 1 multiplied by 5, that's 5. So here we have 0, 0, 0. 4 plus 5 is 9. 4 plus 5 is 9. So here we have 99,000, but that's not one of the options here. So we remember that there are two numbers behind the decimal points. So in our answer, there will also be two numbers behind the decimal point. So this means our final answer is $990. Option D is the correct option. Very simple.